Hello everybody, I'm Tia Commando. Welcome to part 4 of the NX-01 build series. I know, it's finally coming. Finally got one of my key components for the nav and strobe lights on here. An Arduino Nano. And it's finally going to be able to fit in there. The Uno that I originally tested the program with was way too big to fit in here in any spot, so it just kind of sat there for a while. And now with the advent of the Arduino Nano coming here, I can finally get everything wired up properly and we can get this baby finished. So I just got to sort out my wires here and get those labeled, and then we'll get the soldering underway. Alright. How about this? Everything's coming through alright. Let's turn on the rest of the model. Strobes and navs all working. So all we gotta do is wire it up to the main base. Well, let's see. Well, I decided that I can't show you the whole process because who wants to watch that? But anyway, figured out my positive and negative here. Got that all wired up together. I just gotta insulate them, and then yeah, it's pretty much done. I just gotta put my duct tape over this again because I don't know what else to use, because I didn't make the channel big enough, and I don't think I can get back in there very easily. Well, I probably could if I take these staples out, but I'm like red green. I just like to use duct tape. So get these all insulated together and back together and repaint. I had to take the TIE fighter stands off too, so let's flip it over and so I can show you. Yeah, I took the TIE fighter stands off. I'm gonna try to redo those. Maybe, yeah, I'm gonna have to drill a couple holes for the wires, and then can just pop those suckers in and glue them. And get it all touched up, and it'll be done.
It's alive! It's alive!
Still needs a little touch up, but we'll get to that later. Oh, I suppose I should turn on the TOS Enterprise too. Oh, it's not plugged in. Well, let me take care of that real quick. There you go.
They be alive!
Ah. Finally, I get to conclude the NX-01 build series. After all this time. Almost. I still need a show-off video for this. That's something that I haven't done yet. For any of my builds. Well, actually, one. I've only done it for one, Enterprise Refit. But now, we're gonna do another. Well, yeah, there wasn't really much to part 4. It was just kind of a little shorty. Well, I hope you enjoyed the little shorty. And be sure to look forward for the NX-01 show-off video. And I will see you in the next video. See ya!